Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to create a working person animation in Canva. This is super easy and you don't need any advanced software, just Canva. So let's get started. Open Microsoft Edge or any browser you have. First, open Canva and click Create Design. Go to More, to Photos and Videos. YouTube video, landscape, 1920, 1080. This size is perfect for YouTube videos. Next, let's give our character a place to work. So go to Element, type City, Graphics. I will choose this one. Right click, set image as background, or you can upload your own street, park, or cartoon city background. From here, click on Upload, and you can upload any background you want to use. Now, go to Element and search for working person, working person, or working animation. You will see different options like animated stickers, vector illustrations, and silhouettes. Pick the one that matches your video style. I will choose, I will filter and click animate. And you see here different animated working person. I will go with this one. Just drag the working person image onto the Canva, resize it, and place it where you want the work to start. I will flip this animate. Okay. Now I will animate the work. So select the character, click animate from the top menu and choose create an animation. Now draw a motion path from one side of the screen to the other. You can adjust the speed so the working looks natural. Okay, so to make the scene more lively, add extra elements like clouds, trees, or text. You can even animate them slightly for realistic touch. Clouds, graphics. Let's add some birds. Also, you can add a voiceover. So go to Audio tab, Audio tab to upload your own voiceover. This will make your animation more engaging, or you can add audio from here. The same. Click the play button to preview your animation. If everything looks good, go to Share, Download, choose MP4 video, the quality, I will use 4K, and click Download. Wait a moment and the video will be downloaded to your file. Okay, save as, put it on videos. You can name it if you want. Working person. Click save. Now you are ready to upload it to YouTube. So click to see the result. And that's it. You just learned how to create working person animation in Canva step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss new Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.